My name is Dr. Kariuki. Today we're talking about exercises and strengthening for the upper part of your spine. And often patients ask me, well, what can I do? So we thought we'd put together this video. It's a very simple video, but very effective exercises for your upper back. That's your thoracic and your cervical spine. Okay? The first thing you should do is just tip your head forward, your chin to your chest, holding for 1 second and then back up. Do that 10 times. And back up, and then forward, holding for 1 second, and back up. Do the same going back. Extend your neck for 1 second, back up, and back up. And then do it sideways, ear to the shoulder, holding for 1 second, then to the left, holding for 1 second, and back to the center. It's normal to feel some stretching and a little bit of tension in there, but if you're feeling sharp pain, if it gets really uncomfortable, stop the exercise and talk to your chiropractor about it. The other exercise you should do for your neck is turning your head. So twist your head to the right for 1 second and then to the left. Sometimes I like to do that lying down on the ground or on a bed, because when you turn your head, you have the support of the bed or the ground, and you can really let the neck relax so it gets a good stretch. Do not tip your head backward to the right or backward to the left. Those are very hard exercises for the neck, and the nerves can get pinched very easily, so I would not recommend bending your head back to the right or back to the left. Now, if you want to strengthen the upper part of your back and your neck, here's a few things that you can do. Get some weights, and I have some 5-pound weights here, very light dumbbells. You might want to do some more. Hold on to the weights and just shrug your shoulders as high as you can and back down. Okay, holding for 1 second each time. I like to do exercises with weight for 12 repetitions. So do that for 12 repetitions and do 2 sets of that. Take a break in between the sets, rest for a little bit, get some water, and then do another 12 repetitions of these shoulder shrugs, and that'll build up the trapezius muscles which are up in the neck and the upper back. Okay. Now another thing you can do for the back is get a chair or a table, put your back flat or parallel to that, put the weight down and pull the weight up so the elbow goes up beyond your body, and then let it go down. Do that for 12 repetitions. And what that does is it works the latissimus dorsi muscle, which is a large muscle group that attaches onto the spine and goes all the way into the arm. So it's a big V-shaped muscle. It's a good exercise to do. Switch sides, do the left side and the right side, and that'll work the muscles in the big part of your back. The other thing that you can do for the muscles in the upper part of your back and your spine is the pectoral muscles. They balance the back muscles. So lying on the ground, take some weights, have your arms out of the side and push the weights up together right in the center. Have the arms come down right on the side, push up. Try not to go too far forward like that or too far backwards like that. You want to keep in that neutral plane and get the weight up and then back to the side. Do that for 12 repetitions as well. So the exercises were bending your head forward, backward, right and left for stretches, twisting, but do not go back to the right or back to the left. For strengthening, shrugging the shoulders, with the back muscles pulling the arm back, and then on the ground pushing the weights up for the pectoral muscles in the front. These are good exercises to stretch and strengthen the upper part of your spine.